Hi gardening friends. On this occasion, we will try to give a little insight into which avocado is the best choice for you. When faced with the choice between Miki or Aligator avocados, both types of avocados mentioned are the most sought after by gardeners to this day. But first, for those of you who haven't subscribed to our channel, please click the subscribe button first and share this video as much as possible so that we continue to be enthusiastic about providing interesting information about gardening. Both of these types are avocado varieties that are equally adaptive in lowland areas, which means both are indeed more suitable if planted in lowland areas, where the region has a warm temperature, sufficient sunlight, and a lot of light intensity. That's the optimal growing condition for both types. The first one is Miki avocado. We have already made a complete information video about accurate Miki regarding fruit size, shape, and more, closure, taste, and planting character, along with its complete history. Secondly, the alligator avocado. For this type, we also started this avocado in full detail in the previous video. To differentiate between them, first we look at the fruit size. Miki avocado is smaller in size compared to alligator avocado. The average weight of a Miki avocado is 300 to 400 grams per piece, while the alligator avocado generally weighs about 1 kilogram. They weigh between 900 to 1,200 grams. Even some fruit can weigh up to 1.5 kilograms. The shape of Miki avocado is round, almost perfectly round, while the alligator avocado has an oval and elongated round shape. The skin color of Miki avocado is much older, clean and shiny. Even when the avocado is old, its skin remains shiny, whereas the skin color of the outcut alligator is yellowish green. As it ages, the yellowish hue becomes more apparent, forming longitudinal lines from the base to the tip of the fruit. And as they age, their green color will fade and become more dull. In addition to the external appearance and skin color, we can observe the fruit skin structure, although both are fruits with easily peelable skins. However, Miki avocado has a skin that is thinner and more elastic compared to alligator avocado, which has thicker and stiffer skin. Because its skin pores are larger than those of Miki avocado, this is what makes Miki avocado last longer than alligator avocado, which ripens more quickly. The second difference in terms of the fruit's flesh and its seed. Both fruits of this type have butter-colored flesh. But if you look closely and compare them side by side, then there will be such a striking color difference. The butter color on the Miki avocado, slightly yellow nearing the packaging color. Meanwhile, the alligator avocado has a yellow color that tends towards a pseudo-orange color. Thus, in terms of brightness, Miki avocado appears more yellow or brighter, while the alligator avocado has a clearer, brighter butter color. Battetu matane avocados to tema very large teeth. Both have equally large teeth. But when compared with the flesh proportion of each fruit, thus, the seed of Miki avocado will appear larger, while the seed of alligator avocado will seem small. This is because the fruit size is larger. The third difference is when we compare the characteristics of the tree. Miki avocado plants are short, dwarfed, and have somewhat slow growth. Even its leaves are slim and thicker with a strong dominant green color. While Aligator has a compact stature and faster growth. The leaves are broad, with branches having longer segments, even though both can easily be made into sugarcane bristle. But the alpukat Miki has a denser canopy and is easier to shape when the plant is small in a pot compared to the alligator avocado. Miki avocado fruits clump together on a single stem, while alligator avocados have their own individual stems in a cluster. Or in other words, one stem, one fruit. The fourth difference we see from its productivity, Miki avocado is indeed smaller compared to alligator avocado. However, Miki avocados have a more uniform size compared to alligator avocados, which have some fruits of varying sizes, which is somewhat distant. It can be said that 40% of the fruits differ in size from the average size. That is too small, about under 800 grams, and too large, up to above 1,300 grams. However, in terms of productivity, the alligator avocado will yield more than the Miki avocado. Even though the number of fruits is comparable, or even the Miki avocado clusters on each stem, but the alligator avocado is larger and heavier. So the yield from alligator avocados will be higher. Actually, there are many more differences between them, each having its own advantages and strengths. However, among the four main differences, we hope to clarify your doubts in choosing between the two types of avocados, so that they have an idea for the care and sale of their fruit later. That's all the information we can provide in this video. We hope it's helpful and brings goodness to us all. For those who want to plant or cultivate alpukat Miki or alpukat alligator, we provide grafted avocado seedlings that suits your needs. Please contact us at number 08-139-0014556. And that's all. Let's garden and thank you.